This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change your App Store region. First, it's crucial to prepare your account. You must spend any remaining Apple ID balance, even if it's just a few cents, as it cannot transfer. Next, cancel all active subscriptions, like Apple Music or iCloud, and wait for them to fully expire. Also, ensure you have a valid payment method and billing address for your desired new country. Finally, if you are in a family sharing group, you will need to leave it before proceeding. Now, let's navigate to your account settings. Begin by opening the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. Then, tap on your name located at the very top of the screen to enter your Apple ID settings. From there, select Media and Purchases, and then tap View Account. You might be prompted to sign in with your Apple ID password to verify your identity and proceed to the next step. Once you are in your account settings, locate and choose the Country/Region option. Then, tap on Change Country or Region to reveal a comprehensive list of available countries. Carefully select your desired new country or region from this list. After making your selection, you will need to thoroughly review and accept the new terms and conditions to finalize this part of the process. To complete the change, enter a valid payment method and billing address that corresponds to your new country. Keep in mind that some apps you previously downloaded might not update or function correctly in the new region. You may also need to re-download certain region-specific applications. If you do not have a local payment method, consider creating a new Apple ID for that country to access free apps, as this can be a helpful workaround.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.